you. That's awesome.
Okay. Well, I got a gift from you, from all of us.
Okay. Oh, sounds like a bowling ball.
Thank you very much.
Thank you very much. It's heavy. It's the heavy stuff this year. All right. Oh.
I knew you always wanted one all your life.
Come on now. Come on. Tell me you're not excited. How could you not be excited?
I wonder who will get this next year. I think this will be a pass around one.
Yes.
So we'll go to the clock store sometime, get that fixed up, and then we can hang it on your bedroom wall. Does that sound good? We go to the clock store today and fix it.
Okay, we gotta give Daniel something.